YouTube, it's your boy TriniFX here. Just gonna give you guys a walkthrough of the short I took this morning, a little after 10 a.m. I also took a long off of 9:30, and I'll go through that on my daily recap, so go check it out on my channel. So as you can see, price ran up, and I was looking to go short, waiting for price to trade back into this SIBI here. After 9:30, ran price up. This candle actually traded into a 1 hour fair value gap, and then it retraded back into the hourly fair value gap, finding some resistance. So when I saw price trade down into this BISI, there I just got filled on my order. Price traded down to this BISI, rallied, and then broke it. I was looking at this as a market structure shift. An inversion fair value gap here, and this was my breaker: high, low, higher, high, broken. So I took a little drawdown. I was in a little drawdown at this point in time, waiting to see price respect that. Once price inversed this SIBI, I wanted to see what the higher time frame was telling me, but I felt pretty confident that price would not break above this high. So in a little bit, I did check my 5-minute chart just to get a better read on price. Wanted to see if we were finding some support down here. Couldn't see anything. So I was just staying patient and letting price do its thing. By the way, this video is sped up so we can get through it just a little faster. So I wanted to see price come back down and invert this BISI. That will give me a little more confidence to stay in the trade. I was risking 7 micros to take it down to these relative equal lows that were down on this side. And this is the 9:30 low. So part of trading is having your higher time frame bias or narrative and just being patient. Once you're in a trade, you just monitor it. If you see several PD arrays are being broken, that may be a sign to get out of the trade. So once we started to trade lower off my entry and we inversed this SIBI, that told me that I was on side. So I just sat back and waited for the trade to play out. Wanted to trade, wanted price to get heavy and trade below this low. Just staying patient. We had this SIBI formed after we inversed this BISI. So all these are signs in price action that you're on side, and it's just to stay with the trade and let it play out. Don't get nervous. Don't want to take your profits. Just stay in the trade. So I was allowing for price to actually trade back up to this SIBI, then to get really heavy and go lower. And while I'm executing, sometimes I don't have time to mark out all the fair value gaps as you guys see in my videos, because I can see it. I just mark it out for y'all to have a visual. So what I did, I'm getting ready here to take some partial. So I took a partial as price broke below this low, move my stop, and I'm trailing my stop as I'm coming down. So what I marked off here, we inverted this BC, so this became an inversion fair value gap. We saw price trade above, close back below, hit that inversion, and closed outside of it. That gave me confidence. I'm just measuring to see where we are in the range. I just took another partial and moved my stops again because we were below equilibrium of this range. So we are, in comparison to this range, we are heading into a discount. So I was just trailing and taking partials as we go along. Once price inverted this BC here, we could see it found support, broke below, became resistance, and started to displace. So those are the signatures that we want to look for. So guys, if you want the full breakdown, my daily recap, head over to the channel. I was just giving you guys a quick walkthrough of a live execution, but feel free, go over to the channel and you'll see the daily breakdown and other daily recaps. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Like, subscribe, share this video, and let's have a conversation in the comments section. I love to hear from you guys. Appreciate that. Just waiting for that sell side to get taken. So I already marked out partials to be taken here. I had 2 more contracts on. Move my stop right above that high, and we're just waiting. There we go. Took another partial and the last remaining contract to get down here. Alright guys, appreciate you tuning in. Till we talk again, have a safe one. I'll see you in the chats. Take care guys.